Subscribe this channel for more videos and press the bell icon for latest updates. Hello guys, what is going on? This is Arjun and today I have this Philips trimmer to show you. Let's see what we have on the box. On the front side we got the trimmer photo. This trimmer has stainless steel blades and 20 locking settings from 0.5 mm to 10 mm. You can use this trimmer with or without a comb. The blade of this trimmer is washable. On this side again we get the trimmer photo and the same info about the trimmer. This trimmer has 60 minutes run time and 1 hour charging time. The blades of the trimmer are skin friendly and the trimmer is meant for cordless use. Here you can see the trimmer model number, which is QT4009 by 15, and the MRP of this trimmer is 2195 rupees and it cost me 2050 rupees on Amazon. This trimmer is made in Indonesia and designed in Netherlands. You get 2-year warranty which you can extend up to 3 years by registering your trimmer at Philips website. So that's all about outside of this box. Now let's see what we have inside this box. Here we have different type of illustrations which show how to charge and use this trimmer. After that we get this tray which contains all the items. First we get this user manual. This is like a newspaper. Now we get the warranty information in different languages. Here you can see the warranty information in English. Now we get this pouch which you can use to store your trimmer when you travel. After that we get the trimmer. The trimmer body is made from high quality plastic and it feels very premium. Here on the upside we get this paper between comb and the blade. Let's first take it out. You can remove this comb by pressing upwards like this. Comb plastic has glossy finish. Here we have the stainless steel blades on the top and they sharpen themselves when you use the trimmer. You can remove these blades by hard pressing from this side like this. After removing the blades, you can wash them and clean the trimmer from inside. Under the trimmer body we get this motor which moves the blades back and forth. To put the blades back into its position, first put the bottom part inside and after that press from the upside. Now we can put this comb back into its position. Here we get this length selector wheel which you can rotate to select different length settings from 0.5 mm to 10 mm precision. As you can see, this comb moves up and down when you rotate the wheel to select different length settings. Here we get this power button below the lens selector wheel. On the bottom of this trimmer we get the charging port which takes 1 hour to fully charge this trimmer. On the back side of the trimmer we get the regulatory information and the name of the manufacturing country. Let's put this trimmer on the side for a while and see what else we get inside this tray. After trimmer we get a Philips charger. We get regulatory information on this side and power rating on this side. This is a 15 volt adapter and it has IPX4 rating for water resistance. The length of the cable is more than 1 meter. The connector is not reversible, which means you can only plug this from one side, like this. The last thing that we get inside this tray is the cleaning brush to clean the stuck hair from the blades. As you can hear, the sound of the blades feels very powerful. You can store your trimmer inside this pouch when you travel like this, and you are ready to go. We also get this blinking green LED light as a charging indicator. This light stops blinking when this trimmer is fully charged. Currently I am using this QT4009 model, and the design of both the trimmers are almost identical. The first main difference is the quality of the blades, and the other main difference is that this trimmer has 45-minute running time and 8 hours charging time. And the newer one only takes 1 hour to fully charge its battery, and it has 60 minutes running time. The price difference between them is about 500 rupees, so in order to get the fast charging you have to pay 500 rupees extra. Other than this, both trimmers are almost same. So guys, that's all about this trimmer. If you like this video, then give thumbs up, and want more videos like this in the future, then subscribe this channel. It's totally free. Until then, that's been it. Talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.